How to move a task to completed in Monday.com. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Open your board. Navigate to the board where your tasks are listed. 2. Locate the task you want to complete. Find the specific task you want to mark as completed. 3. Change the status column. Click on the status field and select Completed or Done from the drop-down. 4. Use automations for auto-moving tasks. Set up an automation to move completed tasks to a Done group automatically. 5. Archive or hide completed tasks. If you don't want completed tasks cluttering your board, click Archive to store them for future reference. 6. Notify team members about completion. If needed, set up an automation to send a notification once a task is marked completed. 7th, track completed work in reports. Use the dashboard widget to track completed tasks in a weekly or monthly summary.